How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
Now?
1. Lucky, have you got your phone? I think I must have lost mine.
No. No, sorry. I must have too.
I swear it rang a while back. I really need to go to the hospital.
No. You need to rest first. Get your strength back.
I feel really nauseous and woozy.
It'll pass.
Thank you
What for?
for looking after me.
Right. Yeah, no worries.
There you are, good boy.
Please.